In this video, I'm going to show you how to get live weather data here in Google Sheets automatically. So no add-ons needed. What we're going to do is to ask the help of ChatGPT to create a script for us, especially for those who have no background in coding or in creating JavaScript. Here's what we can do. So open ChatGPT and create your prompt. Here's a prompt that I've created. So I want ChatGPT to create an app script that will get me the current data in my area using free open Meteo API in Google Sheets. So once I press enter, it will give me these answers. It has already written the code for me. And once that code is written, what we're going to do is to just follow the instructions below. We are going to go to Google Sheets, open extensions, and then app script. We're going to replace any old code with this one. We're going to save, run, and allow permissions. So if we go back to our sheet, we will be able to see something like this. Also, an optional auto update that we can set would be a trigger. So when we add a trigger, we're going to be choosing these functions. We have get weather, time driven, and every hour. So let's go ahead and copy that code. There we go. Then go back to our spreadsheet and select extensions. Go to app script. Here we have it. So once you've copied that code, you can just go ahead and paste it right here. Then the instructions would be to save this code. Once that's saved, we can click on Run. Now, if this is your first time running this function, you are going to be reviewing and allowing those permissions. Once those done and you go back to your spreadsheet, this is what it's going to look like. Now remember, there's also the optional auto update. So we can actually update this every minute, every hour, or every day. Depends on your preferences. But for this one, I've actually added a trigger that would update all of these conditions every minute. So our time a while ago was 17:25 and now it's currently updating by itself. So we're going to go back to our app script right here. Go to the triggers on the left side. We have this timer icon. Click on that. Then here we're going to add trigger. So I already have the trigger right here. I'm just going to show you how I did it. So click on that add trigger. Then go to your select event source. Click on that and we're going to select time driven. After that, under the time-based trigger, we're going to do minutes timer. And that would automatically select the minute interval at the bottom option. Click on save and that would automatically update all of your data in your spreadsheet every minute. And there you have it. That's how you can get live weather data here in Google Sheets using AppScript and ChatGPT. But if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out later. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos and I will see you in the next one.